Good morning everyone. Today I am going to demonstrate our project, that is IoT based smart IV drip monitoring system. First, let us check what are all the components we have used in this project. As a processor, we have used a Node MCU based microcontroller which has inbuilt Wi-Fi capabilities, and for navigating through various parameters we have 4 buttons which indicate previous, next, increase parameters and decrease parameters. And we have used 1 kilo ohm pull down resistors for making the default output as low. We have used a 20x4 LCD screen for displaying parameters, and we have used I2C module for serial to parallel conversion. The I2C module is connected on D1 and D2 pin for serial data and serial control line. And for detecting the IR drops in the chamber, we have IR sensor which will be placed near this drip chamber. For each drip, the IR sensor will give an output 1 and it will be used for calculating drip rate. And for controlling the motors, we have 2 relay modules for making forward and reverse direction of DC motor. Now let us see the working of our project. First, Node MCU is establishing connection. It is checking for our previous Wi-Fi connection. Now it has successfully connected. First we have to set various parameters. We can decrease or increase the various parameters. Next is trip factor 50, and we have selected the time as 15 minutes. The IR sensor is used to find the drops that is falling in 1 minute. Every time when a drop falls, the IR sensor will give a signal to the microcontroller which can be used to find the drip rate. This particular setup is used to block the tube when it is beyond the threshold level. Now let us see the IoT dashboard. First of all, we will log into our account. You are provided with a login screen. You have a login ID and a password, and it is common for hospitals. You are provided with 2 tabs, one is available and one is in use. In use, we have the device that are currently being in use. We can use the remove option to reassign the device to some other patient room. And in available, we have device number and we can give the room number for assigning. In use, if we click the device number, we will be directed to a dashboard which shows drip rate, current level, total bottle level and threshold level. And in case of emergency, this bell icon will give an emergency alert to the nurse or caretaker.